When is Donald Trump going to put a stop to it?
He should put tariffs on the market. That's what he should do. I don't know where, I don't know how, just tariff the market.
Tariff the market. That makes sense.
The market keeps ripping us off.
Yeah, I'm all smooth. All right. Alrighty. Well, the overnight move of 6 p.m. to VWAP did not work. It only works 73% of the time, Peter. So,
hey man, I didn't even go in on it. So,
and it could still actually work. I think we can rally today all the way up to 25,040. That's my base case. Now, I thought that all night. So I have to be in the trade when it works so I can make all that money back. And if we get to that price, I will be at break even.
I am pretty much with you there, Tom. I would like this rally up to 25,000. That's my R1 point, R2 at 25,132. And then if we can rally even further than that, fantastic. I will take a 3% day. I don't think we're going that far, obviously. But at least if we can get a 1% day up to 25 or 25.1, that's 1.5% for the day.
But I would even take a drop to 23.9. Do you see that on your chart?
23.9. I've got 24,300 as my next support line. If we go farther to 23.9, I do have that as S3. That's bad news for my regression trend on the daily chart. That means we're starting to break the overall trend since April 7th of last year. So I'd like to see if we can find some support here as a higher low and continue this trend onward. Otherwise, it's very bearish now.
But then if you're up 5 NQ contracts while that big flush out happens, then you're happy.
Of course. I just mean for the rest of the economy. I'm looking for those recession concerns, especially since it turns out that the labor data, economic data wasn't as great for 2025 as we were once told.
That's right.
And I don't want to hear that. We don't need recessions. We can just move right into nominal GDP growth. It's what this administration needs. The only way they're getting past this debt is increasing nominal GDP.
Well, you hear what Papa Musk is saying out there?
Yeah, Elon says if we don't do AI robotics, it's over. Game over.
Well, he says it's inevitable that by the end of this year, we're going to be AI is going to be doing binary, going to be skipping the whole programming language altogether. So that it's not just coders won't be needed anymore. Like literally, we're going straight to binary, and that productivity will scale so quickly upwards that they won't be able to print money fast enough in order to deal with it. So prices will completely collapse, but while productivity goes to the roof. Yeah, I believe that. I believe that a lot. Let's see how that goes. All these predictions from futurists never seem to happen in the time frame that they specify.
Yep. We could be at max pain here for where the markets are right now, though. That sell-off yesterday was definitely rough for anybody trying to be long here. So I'd be very curious if we are at that point where this could be a pretty strong bounce.
Tom, you're predicting a 20% drop in the NASDAQ. Is that
at least?
Is this part of that?
20%. Yes, I think we're in the topping pattern, and that we're going to get 20%. I mean, 20% down on the Nasdaq. We saw that last spring. Like it's not even like a big deal.
Yeah, looking at where we are right now, we're already at 7.6% down. So 20% is not that much farther off.
That's right.
20%.
But before we get any further, welcome everyone to Price Action Live at TradersPost for Friday, February 13th. Oh my God, it's Friday the 13th. 2023. I'm one of your traders, Tom Sacred Prophet Hartman, alongside Mike, the boy who lived Christensen, co-founder and CSO of TradersPost. We're joined today by Peter Exit Liquidity Hartman.
That guru. Why don't I get
to hold on by his fingernails to his prop firm accounts, which he will definitely lose today. It's a rite of passage. You have to lose 10 to 15 prop firm accounts before you can be a big boy.
All right, I'm buying 10 to 15 accounts today. Get it all done in one day.
Get it all in one fell swoop.
That's right.
One big push. Up to 4 days a week at Price Action Live, we trade in front of you using the advanced trade execution engine known as TradersPost, the epic software that upgrades your trading. So whether trading stocks, futures, options, or crypto, TradersPost has got you covered. Today's episode is brought to you by BluSky, the best-in-class prop firm that offers same-day activation, daily payouts, and no max restrictions. Visit BluSky.pro and sign up for your first prop firm account today and trade futures like never before. Use coupon code WELCOME26 to get 50% off your launch plan account for the first-time subscribers. I should also mention that TradersPost, we're also running a sale right now, a Valentine's Day sale. If you're whether in love with your partner or in love with the markets, get 30% off the best software known to man, TradersPost. That's right. Get onto the TradersPost.io website and purchase your subscription today because life isn't worth trading without TradersPost. There, we found a new tag phrase. We found a new tag.
I don't think that works. It feels clunky.
Life is garbage without TradersPost.
That's right. I'll get on board with that one.
All right, so chop all night.
I have a new strategy, Tom.
Yeah. Let's hear it.
Trading in VR. I am trading in VR. Something's got to give, all right?
Hey, no joke. We have a wonderful intern who's joined our team, Micah, and one of Micah's project at the University of Illinois was to build a depth of market analyzer in virtual reality where you can see all the orders that are in the book here in a VR environment, which sounds super cool.
That does sound super cool.
I wonder if I could trade any better if I had the VR headset.
I learned how to turn videos. Cloud Code knew it, and I prompted it to turn videos into 3D. So I can turn all of our TradersPost video into 3D if I wanted to.
All right.
Yeah. I mean, I don't know the advantage of that. Maybe just seeing us lose in 3D is good. I don't know.
The levels video yesterday was fire. Thank you guys, says Aventura. Good morning, guys. Happy Friday.
Glad to hear it. Yeah, the levels indicator is pretty good.
And good day, Jarmo.
Jarmo in the house. All right.
Tiny gap down this morning. Where are we going to flush out this morning? I'm pretty sure we're going to see a little bit of a sell-off first and then a push upward.
Yeah. I mean, I'm in a long already, but we'll see how that goes.
Yeah.
You're in a long? What you talking?
I'm always in a trade.
Yeah, but why long?
Because I'm aiming for my VWAP level of 25,039.
25,030. Oh, I see. That's why you're going for broke.
And if we fall, I'll just go short. Easy. All right, what does the option market say here? We are at, what's my negative gamma?
Oh, there's that little pullback.
69 million, so barely anything. Oh, we're basically at support. Oh, yeah. Long day for me.
Ooh,
there's the stop out. That's wonderful. I like that. I like this.
Ooh, a lot of sellers just showed up on the DOM. Much bigger flush out than I expected here. Quick move though.
They're just trying to shake me out of my position, thinking I'm a non-believer.
That's definitely part of it. They're testing your conviction.
Correct. We're going up, folks. Let's not get it twisted. Although we could take a short sojourn to 24.6, 24.562.
All right. Am I going to go in on this? Let's see.
Well, Aventura asks, are we going long or short today? It feels like we should be heading long. I'm going to put my one little MES trade on, let that guy carry through, but then I will take the other side if I have to on M and Q.
If I have to.
If I have to. Otherwise, I want to be long today. I really do.
Really? Okay.
I would like this to be the lower, or excuse me, the higher low. This looks like support here. I'd like it to be support. But what I want and what the market does are always two different things.
It's because you have to want it real hard, and the market knows that you want it when you put on the largest size possible.
That's right.
The larger it is, the farther it gets away from you. Exactly.
Well, you say the bulls want it, and if the bulls want it, they got to place it with size.
They will. All right. I see a little bit of balanced price action around the 735 mark for NQ. No massive orders just yet. We're just moving up and down the book right now. Let's get our robot voice on in case we see some imbalances.
Yeah. Order filled. No, not order filled. Ask,
Not that one.
bid 40.
Ask 40.
40.
Bid 40. There we go. There we go. There's the pump.
Bid 40. Ask 40.
Whenever price moves in the direction of my trade, I feel like it's destiny. And whenever it moves against me, it feels like karma.
54. Ask 40.
All right. If this was even considered a gap, that already got filled for the most part. It's too small for a gap, though. We're gonna turn that off today. POC reestablished at 760. And again, looking back at the 2 hour, this is the push I'm hoping for. We got a little bit of a higher wick from the CPI report this morning that looks like we could be finding support here at the 676 level. But we'll see. If I'm just reading the tarot cards from the 2 hour chart, it looks perfect.
Oh, come on. Come on. All right. I guess I'll wait.
So does that green candle at 8:30 that brings us to a higher high in the short term, is that an outlier?
Well,
Not an outlier. That's an indicator. That's a signal to us. The market likes some of what it read from CPI, and of course that repriced some of what we have here. This pullback pre-market, though, is in many cases just drift. It's just people flushing out orders, taking profits. All this is pre-market. So the real indicator in my mind is whether or not we hurdle a higher high from the session here, from this open at 824. If we can't clear that and we keep heading down and we break this support line I have here, then unfortunately the downward trend continues.
So if we break up past 825,
yes, I want to see us break the 825 mark.
Maybe I'll put a stop buy up there. So I guess we're going long. Wait, Tom, what's your play?
currently,
Short
I'm
or long?
short.
Ask 61.
I
Because
like
I'm
it.
below VWAP.
I like these days where
Go above
Tom and
VWAP
Mike
or go long.
are opposite. This is good. All right, who do I pick? So I don't have to actually choose the market. I just have to choose Mike or Tom. That's all I have to choose. That's my play.
Set the poly market up for that. Let's just see.
I definitely see the sell side pressure. It makes sense. Like I said, I think we're gonna see an initial pullback to S1 here at 676, and then I'm expecting a bounce from there.
Yeah, it's not a great short.
It's not a big move. The level below that, down to 350. I don't see a 400 point move to the downside today, but I'm wrong a lot. So let's just see what happens.
I love all our self-awareness. Like, okay, let me make a statement. And then
It's Friday, all right? It's Friday. What a long week of trading. What is today an options expiry day?
No, that's next week.
Okay.
That's why I'm so surprised by what happened yesterday. Well, not surprised, but I mean, like, what does next week have to hold in store for us?
And there's nothing else on the calendar today. No big moves. Nothing in earnings that I care about or that the NASDAQ cares about.
Well, I get to see the command post in IMAX size level.
Wait, is that actually working? Or I thought you were just fooling.
No, I'm watching you guys. I'm watching us. I'm watching our stream. I see the chat. This is great.
I don't
Do I
know. It
look,
seems a
do I
little.
look, you know, more athletic in 3D?
Yes, you do. And I look really cool. I don't look like an idiot at all.
Like you're,
Yeah. I was just about to say.
I think you were spot on, Tom. We are very self-aware today.
Hey. You find me another trading live stream right now where somebody's wearing VR. Go ahead, do it. I'll wait. Wait, no, don't leave.
I just wish we had a screen behind you showing what you're looking at. That's
Right.
my favorite part.
Actually, that's a good idea.
He's playing chess or Tetris. Not even looking at his
He's playing solitaire while he's in a trade. It's how he keeps himself distracted from over trading. Oh, come on. What is this?
Okay.
All right. We
Come
got
on,
some
short.
buyers down at 662. Like I said, I think I'm expecting this to be a spot of support. A little bit of a return there. A little bit of a retrace. Right back up to VWAP. Now, my rules state I should be short now. I'm already long in MES, so I can take a short from here. But, man, my conviction is on the long.
Yeah, that's how I feel.
Wait, that's how you feel? Aren't you on the opposite side of that?
Yeah, I'm currently in the short, but I don't want to be.
Okay.
Crossbow low VWAP, I short. Cross above it, I go long.
I
Bounce
get it.
on it.
That's my rule.
Conviction.
But everything moves around support and resistance from the 2 hour, and that S1 line is right there at 676. We just bounced off of it, literally wicked off of it.
Well, I need a really strong move to. It's got to be conviction for me to get in. I got a $5 drawdown, and
Just buy a few other accounts, Peter.
I'll buy the other
Yeah.
accounts once these ones are dead and gone.
One at a time. That's probably a smarter play for you right now, Peter.
Yeah. I'm not going to do better on a full account anyway.
Okay, I do see some buyers starting to set up orders at several different price points, 675, 662, 650. So we could certainly see kind of a weird move in price here. And you just heard the robot say bid 55. That's because the book's a little imbalanced on the buy side right now. I'm going to regret not taking the short, aren't I?
No, get regret right out of that vocabulary. Regret has nothing to do with anything. Regret.
S40.
All right.
S40.
Okay, give up the ghost.
We are cross instrument hedged now. I'll take the short. I don't like it, but I'll take it.
There we go.
Oh, Mike
Mike
Swit
joining the Tom team. Here we go.
Apparently, I'm on both teams now. We're long MES, but I'm hedged now on the other side with MNQ.
That's
Which
all
again,
great.
for those listening in, if you read the rules from the firms, they do allow you to take two different instruments in opposite directions as long as they're both micros or minis. They have to be matched in contract size. Or not contract size, rather, but
Right.
they have to be matched as minis or micros. You can't take a mini short and then micros long. I'm just expecting that. Let's put a 35 trailing stop on.
Just give me that flush. You know you want to give me that flush. Do it. It's destiny. Do it.
Okay.
See what's
move
on
my
that
stop
beach?
into break even. A little bit of a pullback here.
S41.
$24.6 is my line in the sand. Are we going to flush through it? Please, please, oh please. And then
Shoot.
we layer into the short. Wait, not 24.6. I read it wrong.
What is going on?
Look
Oh,
at that.
25, 560.
S43.
All right. I think it's about time for me to go short.
Peter, you missed the entire move.
I don't need the entire move, Tom. I just need $30. Okay, that's all I need.
Are you controlling it with the sticks?
That's what I'm trying to figure out.
I'm on the trading view chart. I'm looking at Tom's indicators, and I'm looking at our YouTube and IMAX
Amazing.
level. All right.
Is it just one big projected screen in front of you?
There's one big projected screen of you guys, of us, and then there's another screen of trading view. I logged in.
Got it.
Yeah, I don't have Top Step in here though. I'm not pressing any buttons in Top Step. That is not. That's not happening.
All right. Well, we found a lower low,
54.
unfortunately.
Yeah, but if it's anything like the overnight, we're gonna bounce all the way back up, rinse, and then fall back down. Look, already halfway. Oh God.
So we have a level there at 580, right? It's hitting it hard.
You mean on the 2-hour VWAP?
Tom, I don't know. I see a line on the chart.
Which time frame?
15 minutes is what I'm in right now.
The
Remember we
line is
talked about this-
24, 558.
558.
If we don't cross there, then we're not going down to my lower
That's
level.
on a 2-hour, you're saying?
15-minute.
I'm on the 15-minute and I don't see that. This is
Wait,
what we were talking about yesterday. It's like something's up with me. Anyway.
S40.
Oh, wow.
Look
Okay.
at that bounce.
Well, as soon as I said I wanted to go short, that's what happens?
That's right. That's right there. That blows.
Oh, my God.
All right. Perfect. So
1040.
this is a good reason to have held my MES long this whole time.
Nice.
I just gave up the whole thing.
But we need to, I'm going to watch MNQ here because I want to see if I need to go short again.
Right up to the 15-minute VWAP.
What's up, you Mohammed? Can we help you out? Absolutely. Sometimes. Depends on your question. There's certain things I can't help with. If you're trying to do a drug deal or a bank robbery, not your friend.
Oh, I could do one of those things.
For the bank robbery, you need an inside man, and he needs to make a false wall.
I can't
Sort
give
of.
you insider information either. No, I'm totally kidding. Being sarcastic. Please forgive my sarcasm. Welcome, friend. How can we help you?
Yeah, how can we help? If it's about the VR, I got you covered.
Look at that bounce. Look at that reversal. Hey,
Let's go.
That's crazy, man.
S41. S42.
All right. He's being a little loud today. I'm going to turn him off. Why don't we set the
Someone just-
threshold as 60 today? 40's a little light.
someone just lost their kids' college tuition on that bounce.
No. No.
It's terrible to think about. It's a huge wick, though, and very bullish. So I'm back to my, yay, I was right. It's looking real bullish. Okay, now can I make money on the trade? That's the next one.
Right.
Man, ATR is at 50 now. I'm almost at that zone where I'm going to have a hard time trading here.
Yeah, I don't like this chop at all.
Can't break my rules. I was at a club many moons ago, and this lady, she seducing me all night, dancing all night, all up on me all night. Ooh, look at that. And then she wanted me to go home with her. And I have a rule. I don't go home with strange drunk women. I've never done that ever. Never gonna happen. She's like, "What? Aren't you gonna follow me home?" I was like, "Nope." I put her in a cab and just walked her out. And that's how I feel about the markets. Markets like, "Come in, come, take me." I'm like, "Nope."
See,
First 15 minutes, I'm not doing it.
that's what I love about you, Peter. You're a very rational man, and I think you should be rewarded for that rational behavior in the execution of great trades. So absolutely read it out.
I'm
Take your
hoping.
time. Don't take strange candles home with you at night. Definitely not advised.
I don't think strange candles. They look beautiful, but you know, you never know.
Some candles are real attractive.
All the horrible comparisons and analogies that I do are always, all those things happen to me. Whenever I say horrible, it's because I had to live through that horrible thing myself.
Yeah, that checks out.
97.
All right. Look at that. Oh, come on. Get a little piece of the juice. Get a little piece of the juice.
Okay. Set a buy limit order down at 739. Let's see if I can get filled there.
739.
I am now back at break even on my MES long. God, I love that strategy. I like being able to set a direction for the day and just let that sucker go so that I don't have to think about it.
Mhm.
And if I need to trade the other side of it with NQ, I don't have to get scared out or stopped out of that position. The market's going to do what the market's going to do. I have no control over it, and I want to be in the direction of the move, at least in something, one trade.
That's right.
Yeah.
I got to add one more layer to this and trade gold or silver at the same time, and then I am a multi-instrument master.
That's why I like trading options, because you could, because of the asymmetry of the payout,
Mm-hmm.
if the move happens outside of the range,
Mhm.
then you can make money on both sides, pretty much guaranteed.
Guaranteed, huh?
Yeah, that
If
word
it
got me
happens-
too.
No. If
When does your
the move
course come
happens out, I don't like how you guys misrepresent me.
Oh, I'm sorry, Tom.
No.
My apologies. Go ahead.
Don't apologize. That's what he wants.
Peter, don't teach him. Okay, he's a
Gotta
decent
du-
person.
You got to double down.
Not at all. You guys know me about my sensitivity to interruption. My bad.
Oh yeah,
Right.
no, of course. We grew up
We
in a
had
black
13 brothers
household.
and sisters. There's no we have to
Yeah.
interrupt in order to be seen. I'd have to come out dancing in order for anyone to pay attention to me.
That's a lot of competition for attention. I get that. All right. A little bit of a pullback here. Let's come back and test VWAP and get me into my position and then rally 700,000 points today.
And by test VWAP, he means liquidate Tom from his long. And then we go. That's the sign.
I was just about to go long, just so you know, guys. So I think I'm figuring out the market. It's telepathic and hates me.
That's right. It's you. Exactly.
Well,
You got it.
Peter's about to go long, then we should be going short, right?
Yes. That's
Yeah,
exactly
I was just about to reverse my position. I was like, okay.
Okay. A little bit of a
Trey got
pullback
stuffed
here.
out. Bummer. Trey, what do you
Yeah.
keep your stop at? How wide is your stop?
How
I
do you
do
measure it?
75. $75.
All right. I am just dying here.
Back down to VWAP.
That's right.
Is it going to bounce?
Now it
So,
goes long.
Mike, you have an order down here, right? Limit buy, I think you said.
About to get filled.
Oh, do I want to join that?
Oh, come on. Don't lick
Um,
off of me.
Yeah. No,
Oh,
you're not going to get
there
away.
it
You're going to
goes.
flush through.
Oh, what's this? Don't you do this. Don't be a choppy day. Come on. There we go. Should be a decent bounce. I'll buy another stop on the other side.
You only fail if you stop trading. That's the lesson there.
S88.
Pretty sure that's the
S60.
sunk cost fallacy, Tom.
There's a quote out there somewhere that says that. Oh, man.
You guys.
It's so you should make like a stained ripped t-shirt that says never stop trading.
You know,
What is this
Yeah.
noise?
yeah, exactly.
Tom, did
I
you change the
like
music
this
to low?
candle even more now for how indecisive it is, but
63.
we need that long to play out.
All right, here's my bounce. This is where I'm looking for a long. Right at 24,692.75. Let's see. Let's change strategies.
I just don't see it. Not for me.
I know you don't see it, Peter. I see it. I see it for the both of us. It's the it's both a level on the 2 hour and a 2 hour
Shoot.
and 15-minute VWAP level. So I'm expecting a bounce.
Tom, do I ignore the trend VWAP previous bottom and previous tops? Still?
Wait, what?
Yesterday, I said your trend indicator shows neutral. You said,
Yes.
and then the bottom and the top, you said ignore it. Well, right now I'm seeing it respond pretty strongly.
Well, I only told you that because you were having difficulty even understanding what a limit or a stop order was. So I was like, let me just not add anything else on top of you. But yeah, this neutral everywhere means chop.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
So yeah.
I understood stop.
Oh man. That's not the stop I expected to hear.
Okay, what is the option space saying? Me and I know.
Yeah, what is the options market saying?
Oh shoot.
Tom, did you check the Dixie?
I think the dollar was bouncing sideways too. Everything's going sideways.
Right.
So Bitcoin's going up. Great. I think the bottom's in and everyone could go along Bitcoin, not have to worry. Michael Saylor can buy some more and everything's going to be great.
Oh, Bitcoin is doing well. Oh, maybe I'll have to get some MBT.
All right. Is this long going to pay off?
Maybe.
And it pulled right back down. Excellent. I should just be trading the top and bottom of this range. Why am I not doing that? Because I'd hate it. I only like trends.
65.
Isn't that your strategy for trading chop, top and bottom of the range?
No, I recommend other people do that. I can't do it.
Okay.
No, I know what my limitations are. I know what I can and cannot do.
You cannot succeed. Okay, we got that part. That's clear.
My God. Can we just have 2 mics and no Peter? God.
You don't want 2 mics. You need that balance, right? Yeah, it's a little choppy. Sorry to hear that, Avantera. I'm wondering if your strategy is going to throw another long off here. Please help me support the market. We need to go up.
I mean, it's just hugging VWAP at this point.
Yeah, yep. Came right back down. I got stopped out on my initial order there because we wicked around it. And I got to be honest, volatility is really high right now. So we moved up to almost 22 right now on the VIX, and it's starting to rise. Just looking at the 2-hour chart for the VIX here, we're almost at a peak volatility moment here in the recent window. So we got to keep an eye on this. This could be an interesting move today.
Yeah, like when this breaks, it should make all this pain worthwhile. Five minutes of the 10 o'clock candle. Let's see what it's going to do. My bias is still towards the upside. What's a 2-hour candle showing me? Nope, shouldn't have looked at that. Shakes my confidence. So, Peter, what's harder, this or Arc Raiders?
Oh, Arc Raiders solo? I'd say Arc Raiders. But, like as the days go on and I understand more and more, like it's getting clearer. I mean, more aggravating, I guess.
Yeah.
But clearer.
The book isn't even reliable today. I keep seeing these huge lots of 300 sell orders, and then all of a sudden 600 buy. The bid and ask side is all over the place today. Oh, okay. I can't do this today.
Yeah, not working.
This is a rough market.
And here I thought illegally voting for Trump 10 times would fix the market.
Help you.
I thought I could help.
I really want to know where this next candle is going to open. So 2-hour chart closes in 2 minutes, 30 seconds. I'd like to see if we can finally find a direction above or below VWAP. If we're gonna short, that's fine. I'm good with that. But let's choose a direction here.
Yeah.
I just don't want quick down, quick up, quick down, quick up.
Yeah.
Would be the brutalness. All right. 2 minutes left until all our prayers are answered.
So then if this doesn't work out at 10, it's 12 o'clock, right? 12 and then 2, you said, Tom?
Correct.
I mean, I'll be busy at those times, but...
S61.
Yeah, which is why I needed to happen at 10. Otherwise,
Yeah.
Silver.
So below?
That trade I did yesterday was pretty good, though, right, guys?
Yeah, go revisit your glory days.
Yeah, that was fun.
That was a great trade. If only they were all like that.
You know what, Tom? That trade, what it did for you is that it gave you more room to lose. Congratulations.
You're right.
Yeah, that's right. We're going to call you Break Even Steven from now on.
Nope, we're not doing
Steven
that.
from now on.
It's sacred profit because all my profit is sacred to me.
I just need to take that attitude and treat my prop firms the same way. My prop accounts, they should all be sacred to me.
All right.
Mikey Davis with the mic drop.
45 seconds.
Mikey likey.
Mikey likey. Pay your like tax, boys. Click that like button.
I came in at the perfect time because I'm about to make $10,000 on this next move at 10 o'clock. Just wait. Hold my beer. Watch this.
Oh my goodness. What does that mean?
What's the button for 10 NQs?
E7.
What's the... Oh, how do I... So, MNQ, that's micro, right?
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
So then, what's the one for mini?
You just do 10 of these. Or you go to NQ.
Yeah, NQ is the mini contract, the E-mini contract, as it's referred to. And then they made a micro version of that, which is 1/10 the size.
I see.
All right. Are we going to get any direction? I don't like the way where this is going. I wanted it down. Que sera, sera. Come on. A little bit of resistance here at 756. Do we reverse and give up the ghost?
Bid 66.
Uncertain.
We should just have an indicator on the chart that's always whatever my stop is. Then people will know what price will be attracted to. A bunch of brokers sitting in a room somewhere. Shh, don't let them say that. Don't let them say that.
That's exactly, that's what Griffin does all day long. He's just staring at everybody's stops. Citadel Securities, the stop hunters.
Stop hunters. I mean, I know it's in my head, but I've gotten to the point where sometimes I remove the stop just because it feels like the market knows.
Oh my god, I'm glad I learned that lesson. I never trade without a stop.
I get it. Sometimes it just feels so
ever.
strange. Like it hits you 3 times, you're like, something funny is going on here.
Every single trade needs a stop.
Yeah, no, I know that. That's for sure.
And I never move my stop further away. If ever I move it closer.
Mm.
God, what a hard lesson to learn. I just need to give it more room.
That's why we measure volatility.
Right.
Or avoid it. Like in this case, I should be avoiding. This is a little, not only is it choppy, but it's the ATR size is pretty high.
Right.
This is a tough one to trade unless you're just doing one micro at a time.
I just had several trades that have been up several $100s, and then it completely reverses.
Mm-hmm.
So I could just take it at the swing, but for some reason, I'm not. For some reason. I know the reason. I'm not going to do it.
Okay. Is the thesis playing out now? We need to clear that. Well, we tried to clear the 825 mark, and we wicked a little higher, and then it gave up everything. This has been a rough open here for everybody. Sorry about that. Let me flip the switch to make this a long today. Aventura says no direction in the open. I agree.
This is how the whole overnight was. Just nonsense. Algorithmic nonsense. And we're flipped back to neutral. Excellent. And I'm stopped out. Fantastic.
What is the deal?
Wow, this is such a narrow range. All right, well, ça y est pour moi, les potes. That's it for me, les potes. It is. I like losing money as much as the next guy, but
Okay.
I'm going to call it here.
Yeah, I see. We're basically at one of the critical levels of the day. Session VWAP, overnight VWAP, POC is all right here, but we can't decide on a direction around it.
Yeah.
Maybe long, maybe short. What are you guys thinking? I like turtle. Oh, that's awesome. I like turtles. Good morning. A tad late. CPI came in cool. What's moving on that today? We don't know. The market is still struggling to interpret some of the labor data as well as CPI data, and it seems very choppy here this morning. Choppier than I anticipated.
Yeah. Yeah.
All right, I'll just do silver. My goodness.
Go back to what you're comfortable with.
That's right. My bread and butter.
Could that 2-hour candle be more of a freaking doji? Oh my God.
I mean, that's been my issue here. I was hoping that was a bounce, but again, the books are fairly balanced on either side. We're just going to chop here this morning. I'm done. I'm cooked.
All right, guys. This was fun. What a great way to end Friday the 13th. Yeah. It's living up to its reputation. I feel like, no, I was going to make a disciples joke, a Judas joke, but let's save that for a less holy day than today. Guys, we're going to be back next week. Next week it's going to be Peter and I, right? Doing Price Action Live?
Correct. Yep. Just the two of you guys next week.
That's fun. So you're going to watch Peter lose money with the best of us. Exit liquidity, living up to your name.
Hey, I didn't trade. I'm at break even right
Peter,
now.
Peter, you were not given the conch shell. You're not allowed to speak. Okay. We're going to do that next Tuesday, 9:30 a.m. We're going to be here later on today at after hours to go over, well, not the trade today, but the trade yesterday, I guess, because today was, well, I'll go over the trades today because to show how we could just completely have avoided this market today. But hey, we're also going to talk a little bit about what's going on with Bitcoin and the bottom callers. because I just love what's going on in the space. It's just the tweets are just full of copium. It's been fantastic. So we're going to see you guys later on today at 4 p.m. for After Hours. If you guys want to join us, please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you don't miss any other content from TradersPost. But until next week, we wish you guys happy trading.
Cheers, everybody.
You have the conch shell now, Peter. You can say bye.